Yeah, we got the 2020 Shelby GT500. 760 horsepower. Good job, Ford. But hand us over the keys and let us take it from here, because there's nobody bigger, better, faster, and stronger than Kenne Supercharger. Now before we reach 1000 horsepower, like we did with my 2014 Shelby GT500, and break a world record like my buddy Mark and his 2007 Shelby GT500, let's go over of what we have right out of the factory from Ford. Basic review, basic drive, and the next video we're going to turn up the boost. Yeah, we all know the 2020 Shelby GT500 comes equipped with 760 horsepower. But we all know that was a big old fat lie from Ford, as we got 717 rear wheel horsepower, which equates to over 800 horsepower to the motor itself. Ford, you did us all a favor. Now the sky's the limits. The Shelby GT500 comes with an all-American supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that revs up to 7,500 RPM. And of course, the potential is so much, as many have raised it up to 8,000 RPM, including us. To support all that power, performance is a must. And Ford did not want a human shifting this beast, so they created a 7-speed dual clutch automatic that shifts so fast and so crazy. I've never seen anything like it before. This powertrain is embedded in the S550 chassis, which is revolutionary both on the drag strip and on the track. 0 to 60 is incredible. 3.5 seconds. 60 to 0, also incredible. Look at these results. And give credit to the braking from these massive Brembo brakes and rotors. Look at those, they're humongous. With all this power, we need some grip, and the meat equipped on this GT500, we have Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires are standard, but if you want to upgrade, get the Cup 2s, and those things will have you launching like crazy. The weight of the car also helps out at 4,200 pounds, which everybody thought that was way too much. But Ford engineered this GT500 to work so seamlessly to provide the best driving experience out there. $172 miles in, and we are already doing the first gas up here at Chevron. One of the things about owning a Shelby is that you pretty much live at a gas station, but it's not about the miles per gallon, it's about the smiles per gallon. Alright, let's talk a little bit about fuel economy. We know we don't buy the GT500 for the fuel economy. Go buy a Prius if you're so sensitive about that. Here we have all the horsepowers unleashed, and as driving this, we got about 50 miles per gallon, 20 high, but honestly, nobody cares about miles per gallon because it's all smiles per gallon. Now let's talk about interior. The last GT500, aka the S197 interior, was not the best. It was cheap, it was plastic, it was just not designed well. Starting from 2015 when the S550 came out, they upgraded the interior so nice. We got the Recaro seats, the racing steering wheel, the suede, the cool bezels, the center console, the carbon fiber package, the 8-inch touchscreen display. Everything here just comes together in such a great driving experience. definitely my favorite by far. Something I've always wanted to do, but never was able to because I've always owned a manual. But let's get this going. Alright, Damien's gonna mess with the exhaust really quick. See how it is. So that's it open, closed. That's a quiet mode for sure. That's open. Hell yeah, that's what it's about. One of the coolest things about this 2020 Shelby GT500 is the active exhaust. There are 4 modes that you can activate: quiet, normal, sport, and my personal favorite, track. So that is all the basic review with the GT500. Now let's go out on the road and put the pedal to the metal where the GT500 belongs. Smashing that throttle is probably the most addicting thing that you could possibly do with this GT500. If that doesn't give you goosebumps, I don't know what will. This machine is on another level, and the potential is so high. Now that we've completed the full review, let me go ahead and show you what Kenne Superchargers and I have in store, because I cannot wait to show you guys this powerful supercharger that we will be slapping on our 2020 Shelby GT500 to make the impossible possible. And with Kenne Superchargers, we have done it over and over and over again. And I cannot wait to go ahead and show you guys every step of the process. And it's gonna be fast, it's gonna be powerful, and it's gonna be quick. So what I need you to do right now is slam that subscribe button, like down below, comment down what you want to see Kenne Superchargers and I do. And just stay tuned for the ride, because we are gonna go on one hell of a ride. We are going to make history, we're going to shock the world, and we're going to make so much power out of this 2020 Shelby GT500. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. This is Nate Ryder, and I'm signing out.